my name is Terry Petrovic from Creedmoor. We've been a Rising Sun customer now for 20 years. We have had so much fun in our pool over the years, but the time has come to replace our vinyl liner this winter in our pool. Co-owner Mike came out and did a once-over, gave us an estimate, looked at the pool, looked at all of our equipment. And I got to tell you, I love the fact that when he was, testing all the equipment, he didn't try to upsell me on something that I didn't need. In fact, I thought I needed a new pump, and he said, no, this one's got some more life in it. I appreciate that fact. And I think the whole reason our liner lasted as long as it did is because we always went to Rising Sun to get our water tested. They gave us the right chemical, made the adjustments every single winter. And when the guys came out to do the work from time to time that we needed on our water pump or our little gizmo that cleans the pool, again, came out and did the job, pretty efficient, pretty effective, and they were great. And every time we went to the store, we found people to be just super friendly and helpful. My name's Terry, and I'm in Creedmoor, and I'm a Rising Sun customer for absolutely life.